Mr. Crawley. Hmm? What you doing? Bryson, who's a handsome little man? Yeah. Hi. That's my camera. Hi. I know. He's a good crawler. Trying to stand up? Gonna sit up? Huh? Hi.